Hello kids, a very sweet morning to you all. I know you all must be very excited to go through the chapter, right? Yes, our very lovely mathematics chapter number 3, numbers up to 100. Right kids? Yes. So let's begin today's session with comparing numbers. Comparing numbers, you have already studied this, right? The comparing number means whether the number is greater than, less than or equal to. Now tell me the greater than sign. Yes. Can you tell me? It's a crocodile's mouth. Yes. And he always like to eat which kind of number? Bigger or smaller? Bigger number. Very good. So the crocodile always want to eat the bigger number. So the mouth is open towards the bigger number, right? And he never eats when the numbers are same at both the sides. So we give it as equal to sign, right? Yes, this is what about comparing number was. Now let us see different number of digits. Now you have already studied 1-digit number and 2-digit number, right? So let us see how you are going to compare the numbers with different digits. So 2-digit numbers are always bigger than 1-digit number. Yes? Good. So we all know that 2-digit number is always bigger than 1-digit number because from 0 to 9 we have 1-digit number, whereas 10 is the 2-digit number. But 10 is greater than 9. Okay? So, and 10 is 2-digit numbers. So, 10 is greater. 10 is bigger. Right? Now, let us see the next example, that is 15 and 14. Here the number 15 is bigger than number 4. Why? Let us see why. 4 is smaller than 15 because 15 has 110. See now this bunch. As we all know, this bunch or whatever bunch is there, it consists of 10 sticks. If it is a bunch of grapes, it would contain 10 grapes. But it is a stick. So it is having 10 stick. So it is 110. So 15 has how many 10? 110. And how many ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Whereas 4 has no 10. Right? And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is less than 15. So 1-digit number is always smaller than 2-digit number. That means 2-digit number is always bigger than 1-digit number. Okay? Now let us see the next example. 25 is greater than, or you can say bigger than 9. Now let us see how. 9 is smaller than 25 because 25 has 2 tens, right? And 5 ones. But 9 has only 1. That is 9 ones. Now let us see here. It is 110 and 210 in 29. But on 9 there is no 10. Yes, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Whereas here the sticks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9. That is ones. Yes. So 25 is bigger than 9. Moving to the next example. See, this is 2-digit number. And 9 is 1-digit number. Again, we have another 2-digit number and 1-digit number. So here it is 34 and 5. So 1, 2, 3 tens. And here no 10. Okay. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But no tens since it has only 5 ones. And here we have 3 tens and then 4 ones. So the number 34 is bigger than number 5. That is, 2-digit number is greater than 1-digit number. So kids, always remember while comparing, whenever you have numbers like 2-digit number and 1-digit number, so what 2-digit number is always bigger than. Okay, you have to show the open crocodile mouth towards the 2-digit number. Now let us see the next type. Comparing number when same number of digits. Now same number of digit means what? If both the sides you have 2-digit number or both the sides 1-digit number. 1-digit number you have already done. Now let us see, if you have on both the sides you have 2-digit number, how you will make it, which one is the bigger one. Number with bigger digit in the tens place is bigger. Okay, so kids, when you have 2-digit numbers, always remember the number which is on the tens place. Okay, you have to compare with this number. If it is bigger, the greater than sign will come towards this side. Let us see how. Now 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. And here it is 2 tens. 1, 2 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, here you have 3 tens and here you have 2 tens. There is 3 tens in the tens place. There is 2 tens in the tens place. 3 is bigger than 2. Therefore, 35 is greater than 24. Now let us see another example based on the same. 34 and 25. These both are 2-digit numbers? Yes. Now how will we find which number is greater than? Let us see how. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Whereas here we have 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So when you have same digits on both the side, what you have to see? You have to compare the digit on the tens place. Now here in the first number you have 3 tens, whereas here there is 2 tens. Okay, so 3 tens is bigger than 2 tens. Therefore, 34 is bigger than 25. Okay kids, now let us see the next example. 54 and 24. So, come on, count the bunches with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many tens? 5 tens. Very good. Now, let's count ones. Come on with me loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Next. 1, 2. 2 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So, when we have both side, when we have the digits on both the side with same number, that is 2-digit number, here also 2-digit number, what we are going to compare with? The digit on the tens place. So, here we have 5 tens. And on this side we have 2 tens. So, 5 tens is bigger than 2 tens. Therefore, 54 is greater than 24. So, kids, while comparing, remember, if you have different digits on the sides, that is 2-digit number and 1-digit number, 2-digit numbers are always bigger. First rule. Second rule for comparing number is, when you have 2-digit numbers on both the side, then you have to compare from the digit which is on the tens place. Okay? Yes, very good. Kids, so always remember Creow, the crocodile, while comparing the numbers. When you are comparing the number, never forget this crocodile whose name is Creow. He loves bigger numbers. He does not eat anything when both the numbers are same. So see here. This is your greater than sign. Mouth open of the crocodile towards the greater number 89 and 56. Here you have to see the number on the tens place. That is 8 is bigger than 5. So the crocodile is eating to the number 89. And here to your right, see. Again, here is 79 and 38. This is the less than sign. Okay, that is 3 is less than 7. Now, when both the numbers are same, crocodile do not eat anything. He does not like to eat it. That is 27 and 27. So, this is your equal to sign. Okay. Now, comparing number. Same digits in the tens place. Now, you all know that if there is a different digit, we have the bigger number is the 2-digit number. Second rule is that if you have same digits, then you have to see on the tens place. Compare from the tens place. Now, when the digits on the tens place are same, what you are going to do? Let us see. When the digits in the tens place are same, the number with bigger digit in ones place is bigger. Now you have to move to the ones place. Now let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. And 1, 2. 2 ones. So in this case, 5 tens place are same. Now see here, 6 ones and 2 ones. There is 6 in the ones place. There is 2 in the ones place. 6 ones is bigger than 2 ones. Therefore, 56 is greater than 52. Let us see another example. Now here you have 1, 2, 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 ones. 1, 2, 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ones. Now see, the numbers, the digit on the tens place are same. So you have to move to the ones place. So 8 ones is bigger than 5 ones. So 28 is greater than 25. Now let us see second example. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Here you have 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So, the digits on the tens place are same. That is 3 tens. So, we will move to the ones part. So, 4 is smaller than 5. That means 5 ones is bigger than 4 ones. Therefore, 35 is greater than 34. So, here we have seen some or few rules you can say for comparing numbers. Now, we are going to solve exercise 3D. So kids, let's solve the exercise. It's very simple and very small exercise too. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to sign. First one, 45 and 23. Now who will tell me the crocodile is going to eat which number? 45 or 23? See, on both the sides 2-digit number are there, right? So first you are going to see the digits on the tens place, that is 4 and 2. Which is bigger, 4 or 2? 4. Very good. You have to speak more quickly. Yes. So 4. So crocodile is going to eat this number 45. So you have to put a greater than sign over here. Next, B1. 56 and 78. 7 is bigger than 5. So 78 is bigger than 56. So you have to write the greater than sign over here. That means your crocodile Creo is going to eat this number. Yes, 78. C1. 67 and 21. Which is the bigger number? 67. Very good, kids. Yes, so you have to put a greater than sign over here. Next, 81 and 89. Now, see on the tens place, both the digits are same. That is 8 and 8. So, we will move to ones. That is, here you have only 1, 1. Here you have 9 ones. So, which is greater, 9 or 1? 9. So, your number 89 is greater than 81. So, crocodile is going to eat the number 89. Next, 56 and 56. Now, both the numbers are same. Is Creo is going to eat any number? No. So, here you will have equal to sign. Next, 97 and 73. Now, see the numbers on the tens place. 9 and 7. So, you have 9. Yes, 9 is greater. So, your number 97 is greater than number 73. So, kids, here we have came to the end of today's session by solving the exercise 3D. Okay, now you have to solve it in your book which you have maintained for the following exercises of the same chapter. Okay, kids? Till then, keep practicing the numbers, the number names and tables as well. Keep learning, keep smiling.